of the slabs prior to walking up to her door had sunken down right around 1.5 inches, just enough to really catch somebody's foot if they're dragging it. Not super big, but she had an experience where one of her friends had actually caught it, fell down. I mean, that's why she was going to get it taken care of, because she didn't want to have to continuously deal with that or have to warn people when they come over, like, hey, watch it right here, I don't want you to fall down. We were able to install our PolyLevel project underneath it to compact that soil underneath the concrete slab, and then once we got full compaction, we were able to actually achieve lift and lift that slab back up into place where it was supposed to be. We also did some crack repair, so what we do is open up those concrete cracks with a grinder, make it wider, that way we can fit a good amount of our sealant in there and seal it up to prevent water from intruding and getting down underneath the slab. We were able to eliminate that trip for her, no problem, and seal all the joints and cracks up, and she was super happy with that. It gave her some peace of mind having people over that they weren't going to stumble or trip.